Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been frustrated with slow weight loss, this video might just be a game changer. Because today I'm revealing why your body could be resisting fat loss and how a new breakthrough called Sleep Lean can help you finally burn fat while you sleep. Most people blame diet or exercise when the weight won't budge. But research shows the real culprit is often poor sleep and blue light exposure. Late night phone scrolling, TV, or just tossing and turning, it all disrupts your hormones, slows your metabolism, and signals your body to hold on to fat. This is why Sleep Lean is such a breakthrough. It's the first natural supplement designed to target both fat burning and deep sleep. Just 2 capsules before bed helps your body relax, burn fat, and recharge. The secret is its unique 8-ingredient blend, including valerian and hops extract improves sleep cycles. 5-HTP calms the mind, reduces cravings. Berberine boosts metabolism. Spirulina blue and inulin gut and detox support. Black cohosh and lutein fight blue light damage, balance hormones. Together, these help your body shift into fat-burning mode while you rest. Users report better sleep in the first few nights, more energy within a week, and noticeable weight loss after 30 to 60 days. Plus, it's all backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee. When you order 3 or 6 bottles, you'll get free bonus ebooks. The 6-bottle option also gives you free shipping, and that's the one most people go for. So here's what to do. Click the link below, grab your supply, and start taking 2 capsules before bed. In just weeks, you could be sleeping better, feeling lighter, and finally breaking through that weight loss plateau. Don't wait. Click now and try Sleep Lean today. At One Review, we review the best deal for you. We love discovering the best deals and product tips for our viewers. Please hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on honest reviews, top recommendations, and exclusive offers to save you time and money. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.